I'm Joshua. I know everyone is really excited about our Forcepoint next generation firewall, and have likely heard a couple of full presentations that is an hour long. So, do you remember all the unique features that has been presented? In this video, I will attempt to summarize all the unique features in one single slide, and hope that this will help you remember it better. So now, when we talk about the unique features of the next generation firewall, we're not referring to the standard features that all the next generation firewall have. Things like the stateful packet filtering, application and user awareness and control, the IPS feature, and even the AV anti-spam or even web filtering features. These are pretty much standard features of all next generation firewall. So, what I'd like to talk about are the unique features that make us stand out from the competition. And they are as follows. First, the unified software core. What it really means is one single software that can support various platforms, regardless whether it's a virtual, software, or an appliance. And more importantly, it can support 3 different dedicated roles. You can deploy SE, next generation firewall, and dedicated IPS, or deploy as a layer 2 firewall. Next, HA clustering. Although most of the firewall vendors out there can do HA, they all do have some common limitations. First, most of the firewall out there can only cluster up to 2 nodes. More importantly, for the HA cluster to work, they need to make sure that both firewalls are of the exact same model, and they must be on the same version in order for the cluster to work. However, we overcome this limitation by supporting up to 16 nodes in a cluster natively. And we also support HA of different hardware models and different software versions. Multi-link. Multi-link is the capability that not only provides you high availability, but also load balancing across different links, example, your ISPs or your MPLS. Because of that inherent feature, we can also run our VPN over the multi-link, which in turn gives you high availability over your VPN connections. And on top of that, we can also run quality of service over the multi-links to decide which links we prefer to send our traffic through. Advanced evasion prevention. Hackers nowadays are delivering their malicious content piecemeal across the different OSI layer in attempt to evade your security devices. And they are successful because most of the security vendors out there only inspect the first few packets of each of the layers in order to determine if the content is malicious or not. And we are the only vendor that does full stack normalization across the traffic stream so that we can detect these advanced evasions. Centralized management. Some of the well-known firewall vendors have centralized management too. However, centralized management is often an afterthought to their firewall design. Whereas, when we first developed our firewall, we have centralized management right in the beginning of our design. Because of that, we can deliver an excellent centralized management that can perform plug-and-play deployments, hierarchical policy and templates that can ease firewall rule creation, consolidate of your logs analysis and reporting, and simple drag-and-drop VPN configurations to ease the VPN deployment. Lastly, integration. In the near future, we're going to have integration with other Forcepoint solutions like Threat Seeker, AP Web, web filtering, and even threat protection or sandboxing technology. And not forgetting, as an SIA partner of McAfee, we do enjoy integrating with their existing endpoint solutions and their sandboxing solutions. And that's all for our unique features. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.